A person who has been following my website has asked for information on this motor. This is an electric wheelchair motor. Right here you can see the hub already still attached. Okay, there are 3 tags on this thing. Here's another one. Sorry if it's upside down. You're going to have to, stand on your head to read it. And then here's the other one. Okay. It has in and out of gear. Whoops, sorry. Has in and out of gear. Okay. So it'll freewheel. It has a 4th coat on it. And let's see if we can't get that one too. Alright. It is what I would consider the left-hand drive. It came off from an electric wheelchair. Same thing as a Jazzy 318. I don't know what else I can tell you, buddy. There we are. Short and sweet.